What up, everybody? You know what it's man94 Bramanganga, Mr. Reaction. What's popping? Ha, yo, Ndobi Yanga Root Kid Venda. Oh, come on, man. Ndobi Yanga Root Kid Venda got a freestyle to Dex, rap Deming God, and checking out even Dex respond to this one. So, hey, man. That have to count for something. That have to count for something. But hey, man, without any further ado, let's get to it.
Tell him I'm getting started. They wanna put that on my name, but I won't talk about it. I'm making boss moves, but I'm not a boss about it. I only do what I can, I'm going off about it. RKV going harder like this, surprise if you want. I'm just praying that Dex is gonna hear this song.
Okay.
Because my
He did, bro. He did, bro. He did. Your prayers are heard.
is gonna hear this song. Because my me on the beat like I am using a phone.
Oh, come on, man. Come on, man.
Because my me on the beat like I am using a phone.
I didn't. They can't smell me. Or they can't smile me. I didn't hear that line, that word very well. But because I'm using iPhone, so yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
Young boy feeling lonely in the ghetto like I'm Akon.
I'm feeling lonely in the ghetto like I'm Akon. Akon lonely. I am so lonely. Like I'm feeling. It's just a word playing there.
Boy feeling lonely in the ghetto like I'm Akon.
I can't hear anything.
You can never be great even at adapting. I can never lose faith when I'm still rapping. Never niggas so sad cause I'm on the bag and I can never die broke when I'm still rapping. Cause I feel like I'm getting paid for tapping ass.
Because I feel like I'm getting paid for tapping ass. Okay.
I can never die broke when I'm still rapping. Cause I feel like I'm getting
I can never go that broke when I'm still rapping.
paid for tapping ass. Shit. Fuck out of here. Most of you rappers saying rappers, so I'm glad that I'm here. I always wanted to be rich and I feel like I am near. The talent is rare, they don't understand, they're all looking scared. I'm feeling the distance between me and my dream and I never need.
I'm feeling the distance between me and my dream. It's not a punch. I just loved this line. I just loved it, man. I just loved it.
I'm feeling the distance between me and my dream, and I never needed assistance. I got me on my team. Flow sick and recode. That's ever seen. Never ask me what's up if you don't know my last name. I've been feeling.
Never tell me what's up. What's up if you don't know my last scene. Like what's up? You know the ambient line. I don't even have to like explain it much. It's just. Let's go.
Never ask me what's up if you don't know my last name. I've been feeling like Santa, I'm giving presents for you niggas of the past, like in the present. Weapons on my ID, I'm already a resident. I'm going too fast like 9/11. I'm never gonna say what's gonna happen. I'm not a blesser, but they know I'm actually blessing them. Please stop the beat and listen to me when I speak. Just going down like I'm on my knees. I'm going to the top of the peak. Now the beat is getting louder. I've been sipping on my soda. Bass no tiba ya kanani so divanga in my bounce. Ah shit. The dobanas is back at Tina too. Between the papa misongare ni mtumbu Obiringana biti ya no babundu Wako ise ya online in
Obiringana biti ya no babundu. Okay. Obiringana
the papa misongare ni mtumbu Obiringana biti ya no babundu Wako ise ya online in nabuntumbu Mapura Dotora mapura Poindi nyana kachi baidi musindis kapura I am the head I say kasepe huna na belura Bafetu wakemla batizu peba the gungura Dex, I'm just hoping you hear this track. I'm just a young venda boy who just trying to chase this rap game. Yeah, I work hard and I don't relax. I'm not trying to kill you, I'm trying to kill your beat. Do you get that? I hope you do. I'm not trying to be like you, but if I gotta be honest, I really look up to you. Yeah, in everything you do, I feel like I can relate. I know some niggas gonna say that boy is trying to hate, but I'm not. These niggas know that I'm hot. They getting mad cause I am everything that they not.
They're getting mad because I'm not everything that they come on, man. I'm everything that they're not. Like I got everything that they don't have. Like, oh, come on, man.
These niggas know that I'm hot. They getting mad cause I am everything that they not. I'm actually going up to the top. I thank God cause music is everything that I got. Damn. Yeah. It's RKV. Oh man. Man, I just really feel like I had to do this, man, you know? Yo, Dex, if you said this, man, I'm just hoping you won't give me a verse or a feature someday, man. You know, man, no hard feelings and shit. I'm just in love with a beat. Fuck it. It's RKB, yeah. One more time. It's RKB. Fuck it.
Yeah, I think the song is all it's done because we're gonna be saying fuck it and something and RKV. Yeah, man, I'm just glad that Dex saw this and he said everything. I don't even have to say what I think about it because everybody can just hear it. This is a nice one, a nice freestyle. I feel like it's one of his best, not the best. Not the best because we've got Rep Sekura. I love that one, but it's not the best, but I feel like it's one of the best. So yeah, man, let's keep it going. Roadkid, congratulations, my man. Nandi for Brahman Game Celebration, and I love you all. I'm out.